Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Shopify Admin using MFA, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Shopify Admin login page. Enter your store's domain in the URL bar. Press enter to reach the login screen. Input your email address and password associated with your Shopify account. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button. If your store has multi-factor authentication enabled, a prompt for MFA will appear. You will now need to select your preferred method for receiving the authentication code. Options typically include an authentication app, SMS, or email. If you choose an authentication app, open the app installed on your device. Scan the QR code displayed on your screen. Alternatively, you can enter the provided code manually into the app. Once set up, the app will generate a verification code. Input this code into the designated field on the Shopify admin page. If you opted for SMS, check your mobile device for the text message containing your code. Simply enter the SMS code into the authentication field. If you selected email, locate the email from Shopify and find the verification code. Enter this code into the authentication section on the admin page. After successfully entering the code, click on the Verify button. Once verified, you'll gain access to your Shopify admin dashboard. Make sure to keep your authentication method accessible for future logins. This ensures a secure and convenient way to authenticate your account moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.